Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yes, yes. We're in the Trip in the Pearl studio for TR7, and this particular section is called Ice Station Zero. And this chair here was one of my uh, reimaginings of the Charles Eames chair that was done back in the 1960s. So I had this chair for some time, and over that time, it lived a beautiful life. However, it got damaged. So frustrating, put it away. And then I said, I'm just going to take the skin off of it and then I'm going to reuse it. So I got all this rubber and I just wrapped the chair. And now it sits just as good as it was when it originally came out. And this is my workstation here. This is where the brain trust of my work happens right here on this computer, and the video work and the sculptural concepts, et cetera, the installation works. And right here, I got this mug from one of my exhibitions. And so, and now we're gonna go over to one of my newest concepts. We have our newly minted section called the Ornette Coleman Circumference Code. And this is an extension of the Atom Vocabulary Club, where conversations take place uh, around world events, family happenings, et cetera, et cetera. And so why is it called Ornette Coleman Circumference Code? It all starts with this lamp here. This lamp, back in the early 2000s, a friend of mine named Jair-Rôhm Takuma, he comes into my gallery because I had this lamp in my gallery back in 2002, 2003. And he comes in, he says, Taji, that lamp, Ornette Coleman has one of these lamps. How can I get this? So fast forward, Ornette Coleman and Jamal-Adin, they talk about this lamp and how I have a copy of it as well. And I would say Ornette said to Jamal one year, and this was around about 2016, 2017, you know, Jamal, you can have the lamp. You know, I'm going to part with this lamp. You can get it. So Jamal-Adin Takuma, he gets this lamp. Now, 10 years later, 15 years later, he's downsizing his space and it's too big for his space. So he says, Taj, how about we house this lamp in your studio? So here it is, the Ornette Coleman Circumference Cove. And this is the idea around provenance, because this exact lamp right here, the Fortuny lamp, was Ornette Coleman's via Jamal-Adin Takuma. Now it rests in our space here. And just the other day, we had a few sessions where we had a couple of saxophone players who are familiar with Ornette Coleman's work. And in honor of Ornette, we had a nice jam session, just like the loft of Ornette Coleman back in the 1970s and 80s. So this is for you, Ornette. Yes, yes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is another suite in the Trip in the Pearl studio. And this area here is, I made it like a nice cluster or salon for curators and art directors to come and visit and see some of the work physically. And so it's jam packed in here. And where I'm sitting at is the Black Desk. And the Black Desk is a conceptual work that I've been working on for the last 10 years. And we're adding a new chapter or a new episode to the Black Desk. And the Black Desk is a concept that was coined by J. Edgar Hoover from the FBI. And he said, when you out there in the field and you're surveying and you basically spying on the African-American community, the Nation of Islam, the Black Panthers, different audio visual artists, he says, bring all that information back to the Black Desk. So this is my idea or my concept around the Black Desk. So you have all this wire here. And then in the new piece, I'm going to have this, and I'm going to take this wire and I'm going to wrap it around. And I'm going to take it, I'm going to wrap it, and I'm going to wrap it, and I'm going to wrap it around myself. And I'm going to be in here because they try to get us entangled in all their drama because they wanted to bring down the African-American community. They didn't want us to see prosperity. They didn't want to see us be independent. They want us to be us under the thumb of their tyranny. Microfilm. Microfilm. So, for all the people who know about the Black Desk work that I've been doing, look out for the new one.
Yes, yes. Calculating Banneker. Cross-pollination. And we're live at the Hive with a live soundtrack scoring session. With our special guest, Jair-Rôhm Parker Wells. Hang on to your hat, folks. It's gonna be a nice roller coaster ride.